Hey, what's up, my friend? It's Jason Foster again, the founder at smarthumanblogger.com, and hope you're doing really, really well today. Now, if you just got introduced to Blake Nubar, maybe you got curious about him, right? And now you're looking for a Blake Nubar review here on YouTube because you just want to know the truth about him. So I have done a lot of research into Blake. I know how he actually operates his business and everything. And I'm going to be sharing some information with you in this video so you can actually get a full understanding of what it is, how you can make money with him. You're going to learn if he's the right person for you to get involved with or not. Okay, now you may see this page out there that's basically telling you that I show people how to start or grow an online business using funnels. Now, funnels is something that we as marketers we use in our business, and this is the page you call One Funnel Away Challenge. And this is a product by Russell Brunson. He's the founder and CEO of ClickFunnels, right? So the thing with Blake Nubar, in this Blake Nubar review that I'm going to actually show you about, I'm just going to show you who he is and like what he does, because a lot of people don't really understand. Right now, Blake Nubar's achievements, first of all, he's the fastest 2 comma award winner. Now, when you go to Blake's profile on his Facebook page, okay, because he does have this group. He has a group called Freedom Fighters, which is a group with over 9,000 members at the time of me doing this video. It's a private group, so you'd have to basically join, and then they would have to approve you to get inside. But anyways, the thing with this is that he says on the page, Freedom Fighters, launch your first $1 million sales funnel. Right now, a sales funnel is basically a page where someone collects your email and send you to a thank you page, and then basically shows you an offer that they're promoting as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so what happened with this? Even on this page right here, he is, as I said, the fastest, right, 2 comma award winner. So 2 comma, you will notice on this page over here, this is the award right here. This is a 2 comma award. And this is an award given out by Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels for anyone who earns $1 million through a funnel. So when people buy through the funnel, buy stuff, and you accumulate $1 million, you're going to get this award right here that you see on the screen, right? So this is one of the, he is actually one of the fastest 2 comma club award winner, which is really, really fantastic. So this is how he actually, he does it, right? So on his page over here, this is one method that he actually uses. He will have his link right here that goes to his page. And then when people come through and actually come on this page and purchases the 1 funnel a day, he's going to earn a commission from that. And the thing with this is $100 for this particular training, right? And it actually teaches people how to build a funnel, how to launch their business online. It's really, really powerful. It's basically a really great tool. A lot of marketers use ClickFunnels. It's one of the premier tool out there as a landing page builder. Really, really fantastic. But that's one of the way how he makes money. Now, he also has his product out there. Let me get into that. He earns actually $17 million in sales online so far. Okay, so he definitely makes a lot of money. All right, he's not like one of the fake gurus that you see out there, because that's a big problem right now online. A lot of people are faking it, telling you that they made money because they just want you to buy something. Right now, this guy Blake is not like that. He actually did make these sales, and that is how he got his award from Russell Brunson over at ClickFunnels. Right now, his main courses are the funnel formula that I showed you over here. This is the one that he actually, this is like his website, blakenubar.com. And when you basically click on this button right here that says, let's discuss, you will go to this page over here where you'll see it says, sorry, we're booked. But this is actually the strategy that he uses to collect your information here. And then what he will do will actually send you offers in email for you to come on to buy products. So he actually makes money that way. All right. So you will see that Kevin Arrington is actually one of ABC's Shark Tank personnel. So what he did, this is like a testimonial video from Kevin Arrington that shows you that, hey, listen, Blake Nubar is the real deal when it comes to creating funnels, because that's what he actually specializes in the most, building funnels, helping people to actually understand what a funnel is. And interestingly, I was watching this video about how he actually became the #1 ClickFunnels affiliate. Because basically that's what it is. He actually promotes ClickFunnels, and when people buys, he actually earns a commission. So Russell Brunson was noticing that this guy was selling more funnels than what Russell Brunson himself actually sold, right? So Russell had to reach out to him and say, "Hey, guy, you're killing it in funnels," right? So basically, that Russell told him that, and now he created this course that you're going to see over here, which we're calling the Social Media Lead Machine. Now, if you go on YouTube or on Google, you're going to see a lot of social media lead machine reviews. Some people saying good things about it, some people saying bad things about it, right? I'm going to show you what one of the page actually looks like, okay? So this will be how it actually looks. This is Blake Nubar's page where he actually shows you, it starts at $7. And, the thing with these products is that they will go up in prices, okay? So what he does, he actually, when you buy this, if you actually buy this, you will go through the funnel, okay? And there will be upsells within the funnel, and he makes money that way. Now, he's also selling, when you buy it, basically you buy the exact same page as you can see right here. So you get the chance to customize it the way how you want it, all right? And change up, like, I'm gonna show you a page right over here right now. So this is someone else's page who's actually promoting this as well. And you'll see where this is like a template. So you'll see like this person right here. This is an affiliate who's promoting it. So what Blake Nubar will do is actually give you like a white label. So you pay for it, and it's actually $997 when you come to this page over here. This is basically the partner program, Social Media Lead Machine. So it's a partner program where you buy into it, okay? And let me show you the price. It's $997. So that's like $1,000 US, right? So all the people that you may have seen, some people on Facebook, when you go to their profile, like one of my colleagues over here, like this guy right here, you'll notice how similar a lot of the pages are. Like this one, when you compare it to even Blake's page, you'll see it's a bit similar, right? So as you can see, just a little bit of difference. So this is what he teaches people to do, right? He teaches people to clone his style, right? Like his page, he teaches you how to build your page. So when you go out there, you're going to see a lot of people. And then I in my view, from what I've seen, a lot of people have reached out to me, right? On Facebook, especially, saying that, hey, do you want to learn how to make money using your Facebook profile? So as soon as I see those people, I definitely know that, hey, these people are the people who have been through Blake Nubar's program and just basically reselling the same product, right? So when you click on Get Started right here, this will basically land over to the page, right? So let me just click on it. And you'll see that it lands over here. So let me just minimize this a little bit. So you'll see up here, when you scroll up this page, for example, you'll see that, let's just minimize that. You'll see that basically this link, this link goes to this page over here, right? And you see this person. So that's what the social media leads machine is about, right? So there are many, many, many marketers out there doing it. And one of the things I want to point out to you guys out there, who may be brand new to marketing, right, is that most of the people who you will see making good sales and so on, these are people who have learned marketing, right? They know how to market on Facebook, or they learned how to market on YouTube, or they learned how to basically run paid traffic to their page so that people can actually come through and purchase, and they make the money. So that's one other thing I want to point out as well, is that when it comes to Blake Nubar's, he's going to show you how to set up the page and customize it the way how you want it to look, right? So you can change these words, you can change these words to anything you want to change it to, right? And you're going to get the ability to put your images unlike this phone right here. So if you compare this to even Blake Nubar's page, you see that it's the same page. It's a template, right? And all you need to do is just come through, change out the images on the phones right here. If you can also put the image on the book if you want. You put your name, right? And as you can see, you'll see the same phone image here. The only thing you do, you customize it to you. So that's what he's teaching you basically. So all these people that you see out there on Facebook, you know, telling you this is what they have been through. They have been through the little training that Blake has, and they're just basically selling you the same thing so you can go out there, market it, and potentially make some sales. And, you know, you'll find people out there having their Facebook profile looking a bit like how this person's Ben's Facebook page actually looks, right? So that's what this part of the training is all about, the social media lead machine. So they show you how to build a funnel, right? Shows you how to use email marketing and also how to automate your funnel so that you can make passive sales, you know, make money while you're actually sleeping in your bed, okay? Now, I want to go into pros and cons of, you know, Blake Nubar basically, because that's basically what we're doing right now, right? So the pros that I see is that Blake is an expert on funnels, okay? That's how he generated over $14 million in sales online, okay? Russell Brunson reached out to him personally and had to say, hey, guy, you're really, really killing this. You know, you're selling more funnels than myself, right? I'm the founder. I click funnels and you are actually outselling funnels. So, you know, this is really, really fantastic. So if you really want to know how to do funnels, you know, Blake is an expert. He's one of the guys that you would want to know from if you're, you know, planning to build funnels in your business, okay? Now he's ultra successful as an entrepreneur. You know, he's not a fake entrepreneur like a lot of the other guys that you see out there. I mean, I've reviewed a lot of courses on this channel, specifically all those dropshipping courses. There are many, many fake gurus in that online space, for example. So guys, be careful when you see those on because a lot of them are not real. I basically research a lot of them and I see that they're fake, okay? Now, the cons is that one of the con that I see basically, the only con is that if you notice on the Facebook page for him, okay, this is a bit, when you see something like this, your first $1 million sales funnel, this is kind of, it is possible, but you know, it's kind of unrealistic in a way. So it's a little overpromised, what I would say. You know, you don't want to just come out and tell people that, you know, create your first $1 million sales funnel, you know, launch your first $1 million sales funnel. So that's the only thing I would say when it comes to any type of cons when I see with his product. You know, it's just he actually over promises on the results that you're going to get, because not everyone who comes into it is going to earn $1 million through a funnel. Okay, that's what he does well. He earns his $1 million through his funnel, and that's great. You know, I've interacted with a lot of the marketers who promote his product, right? And these people have made like $50,000, $30,000, you know, in the thousands, right? But I haven't seen anyone generated $1 million yet. So maybe it's possible, like way in the future, you know. But for now, you know, I don't see that happening so far. And one of the things as well, my friend, a lot of these marketers that I interact with, you know, they're running paid ads. Okay, so understand that when you set up your profile on Facebook like this, you know, your friends who normally will see your profile, you know, they won't come in and they're going to say, okay, I'm going to click on my friend's profile and I'm going to, you know, buy this stuff, you know, because it's going to be a little bit weird, you know. So what I would suggest, if you actually even get into this, you know, you want to learn how to do some Facebook advertisements, or maybe even on YouTube or even on Google, you know, learn how to run some quality ads so you can get people to your funnel page, you know, your landing page, collect emails, get people to this page that Blake's basically gives to you. So you know, you customize this page, and you know, you'll see a lot of marketers out there with the same page, you know. But that's what I would suggest, my friend. If you do get into this, you know, it starts with $7, but ultimately you're going to pay $9.97 for the full package of everything, you know, the full rights to get it and everything, where you can actually go through and customize it the way how you want it, right? So that's what it is for the Blake Nubar review. He's a credible online marketer, right? And, you know, he's someone that specifically you want to learn about funnels. He is a good teacher for that. I've studied him a lot, and I see that, you know, he's a real dude out there. So hopefully this has helped you, my friend, and, you know, hopefully you found some value. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave it in the comment section here. This is Jason Foster again. Also, if you're looking for my top recommendation as it relates to making money online, I'm going to put a link in the description for that. You know, this is how the marketers make a lot of money online, and they learn how to promote other people's products or services online. Okay. And this is my highest recommendation right now. So if you want to learn it from actually more successful marketers than even Blake Nubar himself, you can click on the link in the description there. First link, click on it, go over to my webpage. You'll get more details, and you can always reach out to me if you need any help or support as well. Now, my friend, thank you so much for taking the time. I wish you a lot of success in whatever business you choose to pursue online, right? Make sure you go out there and crush your business. Be positive, be productive, and make the best out of life, my friend. Now, thanks again, my friend. I'll see you in the next video.